Hello students, how are you? All of you are welcome in our YouTube channel Study Zone by ZD sir. Myself Jagdeep Dudi, Faculty of Physics. I welcome all of you in these physics classes. In earlier classes we have discussed about the few theoreticals as well as conceptual concept in terms of the unit, dimension, usage of the dimensions, and after that here we are just to be considering the new initiative in terms of the in between the lectures. After 2, 3, 4 lectures we are just to be concluding a assignment or the quiz here, because if you, when you are available into the schools in that particular formulations we are just to be conducting few tests for you, but in this online platform we are not to be able to conduct. That's why I am introduced this new formulations. Here we are considering the quiz number 1. In this quiz I am just to be given some questions to you. These questions are to be solved by you. If you are having any doubt, then you have to comment into the comment section box, or you have to write down about it on my WhatsApp number. And hopefully all of you are just after solving this entire formulations. It means you have to scoring. If you are able to solve each and every question, it means perfect score for you, and it is to be very fortunate for all of us. That's why you are scoring the perfect full out of full marks. But if you are having any doubt, it means you are not able to solve 1, 2, 3, 4 some questions out of these questions, then we have to discuss about it into the next in terms of the video solution of the quiz number 1. Okay, here I am just to be introduce the quiz number 1, and after that few 2, 3, 4 lectures we are just to be introduce the solution of quiz number 1 with the help of the video formulations. For that particular formulations, when you are watching that particular solution video, at that particular moment you are just to be considering your answers that are to be in front of you, and just to be check it out whether the 100% part of your answer is to be correct, or there is some changes. Then that's why we have to evaluate how to write down the answer into the examinations. Okay, we are started here the new initiative, so hopefully all of you are just to be enjoying these kind of the quizzes. I am just to be started with the few formulations. Write down the few questions. Question number 1, here I am considering the question number 1. Write the name of 3 basic physical quantities. 3 basic physical quantities. Question number 2. Define MKS and CGS system of unit. CGS system of unit. Question number 3. Write the dimensional formula. Write the dimensional formula of the following It means you have to write down the formula for the given below quantities. Planck constant, you have to search these quantities into your book, or you have to just to be taking out the help of the Google Baba to solve these formulations. But the basic fundamental concept it is to be needed. If you are learn each and everything with the concept, then it is to be quite amazing to see that you are able to answer each and every question. Next, in terms of the power. Next, in terms of the surface tension. Next, in terms of the coefficient of the viscosity. These are the first 1, 2, 3 questions. You have to take a screenshot. After that we will write down the another questions. First question is write the name of the three basic physical quantities. Second, define the MKS and the CGS unit system. Third one is to be write the dimensional formula for the followings. First one is Planck constant. Second one is power. Third one is surface tension. Fourth one is coefficient of viscosity. Okay. Next we will move upon the question number 5, 4, 5 and the 6. Next the question number 4. Write the pair of the dimensional formula. Write the pair of dimensional formula having same physical quantities, having same physical quantities. Clear? It means here you have to write down the pair of the dimensional formula. You are just to be choose out any two dimensional formula. These the dimensional formula for the same physical quantity. Clear? You are having the multiple physical quantities that are having the same dimensional formula. You are just to be checking out the pair of the physical quantities here. There is a correction into that particular question. The pair of the physical quantities whose dimension formula having the same value. Clear? You have to read out this question like this. Write the pair of the physical quantities whose dimensional formula having the same value. Clear? Okay. Next, question number 5. Write down the dimensional formula. Write the dimensional formula of A and B from the equation is to be like this. P pressure equal to A plus x cube divided by BT cube. Clear? Here the formulations: P it is to be pressure, x it is to be the distance or the displacement, T it is to be the time. A and B, these are to be the variables here. It means here you have to find out the dimensional formula for these variables A and B with the help of this entire formulation P equal to A plus x cube upon BT cube. Next, the question number 6. Check the correctness of following. The first formulations: here we are considering the few other formulations in terms of the W equal to F into S. Second, it is to be in terms of the frequency 1 upon 2L under root T by M. Clear? Here F it is to be the frequency, L it is to be the length, T it is to be the time, M it is to be the mass. Clear? Okay. Next, question number 7. Write the limitations of dimensions It means here you have to write down the limitations of the dimension. Clear? You have to solve these entire 7 questions, and just to be take out a solutions after 2 3 4 videos, we have to consider the solution of the quiz number 1 or the assignment number 1. In that particular time you have to compare your answers with the solutions of a these solutions are to be given into that particular video. Clear? Hopefully you are enjoying this new concept, and all of you are just to be doing your best to solve these questions. See you into the next class. Up to these formulations, if you are enjoying these videos, please like and share with your classmates, with your other friends that are to be studied into the other schools also. Here we are just to be providing the best video lectures for all of you. Thank you. See you into the next class.